How to fix Mail app is not working on Windows 11. 1. Run Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. 2. Enable Mail and change mailbox sync settings. 3. Turn on Mail and Calendar in privacy and security. 4. Run SFC and DISM scan as admin. See command lines below, sfc/scano dism/online/cleanup image/check health dism/online/cleanup image/scan health dism/online/cleanup image/restore health 5. Repair reset the Mail and Calendar app 6. Remove and reinstall the Mail app.